starts with a simple step. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. To our school president, Dr. Francisca R. Aliano, to our school administrator, Ms. Para R. Aliano Santos, to our assistant school administrator, Ms. Michelle E. Tropa, to our academic head, Ms. J.P. Makatangay, and to our respected guest, Dr. Myra Crisoto, teachers, parents, classmates, and dear friends. As I stand before you today, my heart is filled with so many emotions, happiness, pride, and a little bit of sadness. Because today marks the end of a beautiful chapter in my life. My journey as a grade 6 learner. It feels like only yesterday when I first walked through the gates of this school. A small, shy child holding tightly to my parents' hand, not knowing what to expect. From preschool, I learned my first letters, sang my first nursery songs, and met the first friends who taught me that school could be a place full of fun and laughter. As the years passed, each grade level brought new lessons, new faces, and new experiences. I learned how to read, write, solve problems, and most importantly, how to face challenges with courage and determination. I had moments of weakness, but there were always people, teachers, classmates, and family who helped me stand up and try again. To my classmates, Sophia, Leah, and Cleo, thank you for the love that we shared, for a teamwork during group activities, for standing by me during competition and struggles, and for making every school day less stressful and more joyful. I will forever treasure the memories we created together, from simple jokes to serious heart-to-heart talks. To our beloved support staff, Kuya Lloyd, Vice Sharon, Tita Vilma, and Miss Maris. As we prepare to leave the halls of our school and step into a new chapter, we want to say a big and warm thank you to all of you who have taken care of us in many ways we may not always notice. But we deeply appreciate. You opened the gates for us every morning with a smile, kept our surroundings clean and safe, and helped make our school a place where we could grow and learn in peace. Your kindness, patience, and silent dedication never go unnoticed. From all of us in grade 6, thank you for everything. You are part of our memories, and we will carry your care and support with us as we move on. To my teachers, Teacher Hazel, Teacher Gold, Teacher Tin, Teacher Jessica, Teacher Kay, Teacher Chell, and Sir Don. I'll always be grateful for your patience, your dedication, and your endless effort to make sure we learn not just lessons in books, but lessons for life. A great teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. Thank you for correcting our mistakes with kindness, for cheering us on when we were afraid to try, and for helping us to see our potential even when we doubted ourselves. To my dear advisor, Teacher Joy, thank you for being the one who believed in us, even on days we didn't believe in ourselves. You guided us like a second parent, corrected us when we were wrong, and encouraged us to be not only smart students, but also kind and responsible individuals. To our school, to our beloved school, San Montessori Casa Rosario, thank you for shaping us into who we are today, for providing us with a safe place to learn, grow, and discover who we want to become. This place will always hold a special place in my heart, because here I learned the true meaning, hard work, respect, and friendship. And now, let me give the most special thanks to the people who are my greatest source of strength, my family. To my grandparents, Lolo Vincent, Lola Susan, Lola Joel, and Lola Cor. Thank you for your endless love, your care, and your comforting presence. Your words of wisdom, your warm embraces, and your prayers have helped me guide me through many tough days. Thank you for always reminding me to be humble, kind, and strong no matter what. I would also like to express my heartfelt thanks to my siblings, Joshua and Pai. Thank you for your constant support, for your laughter, the lessons, and the love you have shared with me. Your encouragement has been one of my greatest sources of strength as I take this next step in my life. To my tatay, who once worked so hard abroad, even though you were far away, your love was always felt. I know you endured long hours, lonely days, and missed special moments just to give us a better life. And now that you are finally home for good, my heart is filled with so much happiness and gratitude. Having you beside here is the greatest gift. I promise to work hard and make you proud. Because every achievement I reach will always carry your sacrifices and love. To my inay, thank you for being a mother and a father while tatay was away. Thank you for your endless understanding, your guidance, and your quiet strength through the hardest days. You are and will always be my hero. This journey from preschool to grade 6 has been more than just an academic path. It has been a journey of growth, self-discovery, and learning about the real meaning of love, sacrifice, and perseverance. Today, I say goodbye to this chapter, but I will carry with me all the lessons, values, and memories I've gathered along the way. I know this is not the end, but rather the beginning of another exciting journey. Once again, thank you to my classmates, teachers, advisor, our dear school, and most especially, my loving family. I am who I am today because of all of you. And so, as I take this final step out of grade 6, I carry with me all the lessons, memories, and love that shaped me to who I am today. This is not a goodbye, but because every ending is simply a start of something new. The world is wide, the future is bright, and my dreams are waiting, and I will face them with courage. With the values my teachers taught me, with the strength my family gave me, and with the memories of this school in my heart. So as I close this chapter, I leave you with these words. Every great journey begins with a single step. And today, this is mine. Thank you, and see you all at the top.